Welcome to the channel. Social media users have been circulating the sound effect of CM that is very similar to the emergency warning sound. It is said that arrangements are being made to cancel the broadcast of the new CM Haguki Plus. The internet was buzzing with this sound, and many wondered why it was shown in the morning live broadcast. It was said that it was being broadcast on the 14th of this month, but between the broadcasts, a commercial was broadcast announcing the cancellation, which surprised viewers. However, it is not only the broadcast that received a response. In the commercial between the broadcasts, Lion Corporation's new commercial System Haguki Plus premiere was broadcast, which began on September 1st. On the third day, it was announced that the broadcast of the commercial execution had been cancelled after it was pointed out that the opening sound effect resembled the emergency warning sound. The company said in the System Haguki Plus premiere, "Did you forget" version commercial that has been broadcast since September 1st, the sound effect at the beginning of the commercial sounds similar to the emergency warning sound. We take the comment seriously and will be cancelling the commercial in question. However, it looks like it will take some time for the broadcast to actually stop, and it may take some time to make the switch, and they are making arrangements." After the cancellation was announced, a viewer said there was a commercial of Haguki Plus that was supposed to be cancelled. The Haguki Plus commercial was in a hospital, was shown on TV in the waiting room, and the sound of balloons began blowing up. At the beginning sounded like an emergency siren. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can receive all new updates.